Welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This is Boxycharm Premium for the month of May. It came really late, like I just got this. It's the end of May already. When you open it up, we all know we get this card. On the back, it just says everything about it. Goes over a description of everything in your box, plus the price that it retails for. So let's just hop right into it. This first box is the Base Blue Cosmetics Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. These retail for $21. I actually really like the box. Look, you push it out and it goes between wet and dry, the words. So that's fun. When you open it up, you do get these dry individual wipes, and these you activate them with water. And then you have the wet makeup removing wipe. You get 10 of each, so 20 altogether. I will test these out and update you guys later on my thoughts on those. I see this very cute looking brush set. This is the LaRousse Beauty 3-piece contour brush set, limited edition pouch. These retail for $50. I do have some other LaRousse brushes like this, but the handles are black. These look really, really nice. I love the handles. And the brushes are super soft. I will definitely be using this to blend out my cream contour. This could be a good highlighter brush or even powder contour. And then this I would just use as contouring probably around my nose. And then we got this eyeshadow palette. This is Très Loose Beauty La Flor de Mexico palette. This retails for $30. It is a mix of 18 matte, shimmer, and metallic shades infused with Mexican blue agave. The packaging is pretty. It's got some weight to it, and inside you do get a good size mirror. These are the shades. I did actually wear it today. If you want to see, I can bring you in a little closer. The shades are pretty. It's a very beautiful, neutral kind of palette. It's pigmented. The shimmers are shimmery. I love this one green shade in here. I'm just going to swatch a few for you. We're not done yet. It seems like there's a lot in this month's box. This next one is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. This retails for $50. It is a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon waking. Infused with superfoods, camu, banana flower, and Keiko nib extract. This vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes the visible signs of fatigue. I have so many skincare items on the go right now that I'm not going to open this up. Comes in a beautiful glass pink jar, and it will look very cute up on my vanity when I am starting to use it. And then we have something from Avrani, Holistic Skincare Rituals. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. This is a balance restoring serum. It retails for $60. It's a gentle, alcohol-free toning serum that clarifies your skin, removes toxin, and minimizes the appearance of pores and dark spot. Again, I have so much skincare on the go that these will have to go sit in my drawer for a while. Again, thumbs up for the packaging. It is in a nice glass bottle again. Feels nice in the hand, and I love the blue. Oh, the pink and the blue. I will use those together once I run out of my skincare. Last but not least, we got the KVD Beauty Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. This retails for $22. It is a highly pigmented lipstick with hydrating lip care. I got mine in the shade The Female Gaze. The packaging again is very cute. It's got that bumpy kind of texture to it, like the brushes. It is a very red shade, but it is super creamy. Alright, I'm going to add up everything in the box here and see what the total value would be. Total value comes to $233, which again, you always get your value for these boxes. I will use everything in here. I don't really wear a lot of red lipstick, but I might try this formula out and maybe it'll turn me on it because it does feel very creamy. And I love the packaging. Packaging on everything in this box is beautiful. Anyways, guys, that was it. That's everything for the month of May that I got. Let me know in the comments below if you got a different variation. Are you liking yours? And until next time, guys, I hope you all have a fabulous day.